What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a mirror dash camera. This will be one of the coolest dash cameras that I will install, you guys. Yes, I will install this so y'all can actually see everything that this thing has to offer. Now, one cool thing is that this thing is 4K. 4K, you guys. 4K video. So we should see a crisp video. The rear camera is 2.5K. And another thing with this is that it have Sony sensors. And as you know, Sony sensors are some of the top sensors on the market. A lot of companies use Sony sensors in their products. Okay, so you can do the research, look it up for yourself, and all of that good stuff. All right. And this is from Pelsee. We reviewed Pelsee before. As a matter of fact, I have it in the car now. Look at this. So we reviewed a Pelsee jump starter as well. But anyways, getting off of that, just wanted to let you know that this is a lovable brand. I love it. I love the name. I love the design. And I love the quality of usage that you can get from these products. Now, back to this. So you slide it. And then you have a box within a box. Lift this up. This is a 12-inch touchscreen. So this is bigger than your normal rear view mirror. So there you go. That should be the camera right here. It's nice that they put Pelsee there. Pelsee is right here. Okay, there we go. All right, USB Type-C, GPS, TF card, and then USB Type-C. You don't just want to get any dash camera. You want to get a dash camera with good quality picture. So when somebody driving stupid runs into you or, cuts you off and something like that, you can catch them on point. All right. So this looks like the GPS right there. And it says GPS DC adapter. Let's go ahead and look at this. So right here, rear camera right here. Again, I'm going to show you how to mount it. Right now I'm in my Dodge Avenger, but I will take it back out and put it in my wife's car. GPS module, 12-volt adapter. And look at that. You can charge up something that's USB, plastic pry bar, little rubber straps. And then they give you a card, memory card, and it's 64 gigs. Nice. Step one is to put the memory card in. Step two is to install the camera. All right, so you got to push in just a little bit harder. If you put your strap on and you put it on one, and if it's loose, you have to stretch it and put it on the second tier. That way it's tighter. So the more you go, the more tighter it is. And I'm going to go ahead and put it up. I'm going to put it on the second one. So I put it on the loop on that one. And now I'm going to put it on the second tier. Undo the braid tie. And the wire is definitely long. This is how I hooked it up right there. All right, you guys, so we have the rear camera. I'm not going to show y'all everywhere where to put the wires and stuff. I'm not going to make this a long drawn out video. USB-C, and then we're going to put it in on this side. All right. I'm gonna put that in the back. Again, they give you enough wire. So what you do when you run your wires, now you can run it up. You can find a way to put it on top of your ceiling right here. So they gave you a pry bar. Now, this is how you use the pry bar. If you want to run your wire underneath, you use this pry bar and you go underneath. It takes a little while, but you got to be patient. You go underneath and you can pull up. Go underneath, pull up, go underneath and pull up. All right. And then if you want to run your wires under here, you can run your wires under here. Again, you need your pry bar. However you want to install it in your car, that's however you want to do it. Okay. You can install this going up. You can go up and push it in. We're going to go straight to the back. All right. So I'm going to just go ahead Put it back here. And just push it down, right? Again, you get your tool and you go underneath your panels. Lift your panels up. You see how I lift that panel up? Panels are just panels, you guys. That's all they are. They're panels. Easy. All right, you guys. So right here, you have a connector and should just be able to pull. Okay, yeah. So you could pull and you see how you connect it. Have a little slit right there, a couple of dots, and you could connect it. That's if you need to come through. And if you need to get underneath to go onto your tag, your license plate, okay? However you want to hook it up. All right, going to put it in right here on the top. Now, they said when you install your GPS, you put it on your dash with the GPS facing up. And check it out. Okay, so nothing yet, but one thing is for sure. Oh, this mirror is clear. Let's see what happens. Pelsee. All right. It says, please format the card. She talked to me. So let's hit yes. Formatting completed. Formatting completed. So what do I do? Do I hit the screen? Oh, nice. I like this. Oh, I have it blocked. I forgot. Make sure you take your sticker off from the back. Ooh, that is clear. Look at the sky, you guys. That is, man, it's clearer than the dash camera that I have. I'm jealous. Ooh, this is so clear, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. So you have your 0 miles per hour there. It tells you your speed limit. You can set your time, the day. I hooked up both the rear camera and the front camera. Okay. The front camera's view is displayed. Oh wow. Is this voice? Rear camera. The rear camera's view is displayed. Dude, I wasn't even paying attention to voice activation. All right, you hit home. All right, and then you can go into all of your settings right here. You got smart driving, you have file, you have camera settings, and your system settings. So I'm just going to show y'all everything it has. So you have video resolution. You click that. You can go from 1080p, 2.5K, 4K. We're already in 4K. Video length. You have the video length. However long you want to record your intervals. So if you want to record every minute like we was just on, you could put it on 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I put it on 3 minutes. All right. And you have frequency, G sensor. All right. Parking monitor, time lapse recording, time lapse duration, audio recording, timestamp, and rear view option. I just want to show y'all the settings. Let me go back. Let's go to system settings. And then system settings, there you go. It says set rear view default volume settings. So you can set your volume if you don't want to hear that phone sound. Go down, go up. So I'll leave it off because I don't care about that sound. All right. Right there, boot up sound, touch sound. So we could turn the boot up sound. We could turn that off. I don't care about it booting up. All right. Touch sound, all of that. So sound should be off completely anyway. All right. Auto power off. Auto screen off. All right. Speed unit. So you can set the speed to whatever you need to set it to. All right. Depending on your region or however you want to set your speed. All right. But we do miles per hour. Yeah. You got speed adjustment. Okay. So you have your speed adjustment right here. You have language. You need to change your language. All right. There goes your languages. Go back. Oh, too far. Sorry. Okay, we was on language, time zone. So this stuff has so much, you guys. Show speed and time, yes. On date, time. Today's date is 26. So let's go to 26, 2025, 6:42. Easy to set the time. Can I hold it? Nope, you can't hold it. I'm trying to hold it and it won't go. So you have to just keep tapping it, you guys. It is what it is. Unless you come here. Can you come here? No, that's AM and PM. We almost there. We almost there. We almost there. I might as well put it on 6:43. All right, I'm gonna leave it on 6:43. 0 seconds. And let me go back. I'm gonna go back again. Let's go to dash. All right, so right there, 6:43, nice and easy. 0. Now, if you want to know how to switch from your dash cam to your actual camera, or your dash cam to your mirror, if you want to know how to switch from your dash cam to your mirror, there's a button right here, right on the bottom. All right, click that button and there you go. Now y'all can see me. If it's uncomfortable, don't worry. You can actually set this to a good height and then hit the button again. All right, you guys, this dash camera is worth the money. For one, look at this. All right, I'm still going through this, but there's a lot to go through. I can change the brightness. Not only that, I'm on the rear camera right now, right? So you see how I'm looking in the bushes? Look right here. Look what I could do with the rear camera. I could actually aim it down. This is a game changer. The rear camera, this is awesome. Like I never reviewed nothing like this, you guys. So let's say if you're real tall and you need to bend this down more, or however it works, you high or low, or you short, you can maneuver your camera right here. This, I think this is the best feature on this thing, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. This is the best feature. It's already wide angle, so you don't need to go left and right. This is how you go left and right there. So it's wide angle already. This is insanity. This is insane. All right, you guys. So I am overexcited. I am about to take a little ride right now. All right, you guys. Another quick thing to note. You can slide and you can go from front, both front and rear, and then you can go front and rear, rear, front, front and rear, front and rear. Both of these are reverse, all right? So just which side are you more satisfied with? You just slide over, that's it. This thing is amazing. All right, you guys, this is quite insane. This is quite insane. It's letting me know how far the cars are away from me. Oh, it went off. I have it off. I'm turning the car back on. Give it a second. I love this dash camera. People can hear me. I don't care. I love this dash camera, you guys. This is the best purchase you can make. Buy this camera. Look, it actually sends people. All right, 24 foot. Says 19 foot right there. That is a smaller car. And it's in more of an angle as well. It's not sensing this car in front of me as far as the distance go. But I'm about to drive it real quick and then, yeah, this is amazing. Now, you guys,